Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces, water sign, and this is mid-month reading for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Pisces. So your person feelings towards you this side and your feelings towards your person this side. Okay, and your feelings towards your person. Okay, later we see mutual energy between both of you. Yeah, so your person feelings towards you, the Hierophant, King of Swords, Five of Wands, and the Justice. And your feelings towards them, Two of Swords, the Strength, Tower, and Hangman. What is happening? Yeah, your person feelings towards you, I think there are some disturbances between both of you. Five of Wands, some fighting in past. Hierophant, yes, your person is committed to you. Definitely they want to commit to you, and they are very straightforward and they are very honest, because King of Swords is very straightforward, clear communication, and they are clear at their intentions towards you. And Justice, you or your person could be Libra also. Yeah, they want second chance with you, they want reconciliation, but there are some issues. Five of Wands, I think it could be already happened in past, or right now they are happening, but your person is very committed and they want to commit to you, and they are very clear about their decision. And your feelings about your person, definitely you are at some crossroads, blindfolded, not taking decision. And the Tower moment, I think it is happened in past. Definitely Five of Wands and Tower moment. Yes, you gained your strength, you stand by your power, and spiritually you are stuck right now, and you are spiritually awakening about your connection. You are knowing the truth of this connection and the worth of this connection. So let's see mutual energies between both of you, Pisces. Four of Swords, Knight of Swords. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, definitely communication is coming in your way. And Four of Swords, I think one person is very calm in this connection. They are thinking about a lot about this connection, but not taking action. But one person is very rushing towards the other person. They are very see the card. Definitely they want to approach their person, but one person thinking about the other person a lot. So let's see Pisces about you more. Yeah, Ace of Cups, you love your person definitely. From your person's side, High Priestess, definitely some secrets. The World, yeah, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. New cycles are going to be begin. Yeah, Queen of Swords, King of Swords and Queen of Swords, you both are strong couple. Definitely communication, I think communication is the key here. Lot of air energy is also here. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio also. From your person, Six of Cups. Yeah, definitely you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups, reconciliation. Definitely there is a chance for reconciliation, those who are in separation, but patience and balance is needed. Again, under the deck, the World. Definitely some cycles are going to be end. Some new cycles are going to be begin between both of you. Four of Cups. Yeah, someone is in this connection feeling sad for the missed opportunity. In past, I think they missed the opportunity. Seven of Cups. Yeah, you are both fantasizing about each other. Definitely. So last card for the reading. Five of Cups. Yeah, those who are in separation definitely feeling sad. I think you both are feeling sad for this separation, because Four of Cups and Five of Cups is here. So definitely there is some communication is going to be happen. Those who then, so definitely reconciliation is also chance. Is the Ace of Cups and Six of Cups. Definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation. I think there is harsh communication is happened between both of you in past. So communication is the key. So in this connection, whoever having the problem, please express your feelings to your person and convey them clearly. This is the problem, and see the results, because communication is going to be happen. I think your person is committed to you, they are very loyal, but I think some past disturbances are creating some distance between both of you. But if you both want reconciliation, definitely there is a chance for reconciliation between both of you. This is the reading for you, Spices. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.